Hey guys, it's Halle and Daddy. So today, I want to tone the volume down a little bit because Daddy is going to be screaming "Buckle Up" as his best chicken impression.
Impression in Chickenation.
And chicken, yeah. That's a good one. So here we go. He's going to be saying "Buckle Up" like our daily routine. He says that every time we drive to school. So here we go. Hold on. Oh God! Yep.
That's it.
So that's it for today. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if we blew your speakers, but we didn't really have any choice because, it's your device. So bye.